All right, everyone, this is very exciting stuff. We are headed to the post office because we sold our first vacuum hose kit. For the supercharged Subaru Sandbar. Oops. It just cruises around so well in these little small urban areas. The Mini definitely draws some attention, that's for sure. But so stoked, people. The first kit went out, first vacuum hose kit. Okay, get out of here. We're gonna go all-wheel drive right from the get. Right from the get-go. And then I guess we're gonna, shit. Should I use extra low? Let's do that. Let's take all-wheel drive off. Go into extra low, first gear. Just kind of try and get ourselves onto the grass so we don't mess the driveway up. And there it is. Extra low is, wow, it's incredible. That's awesome. Treat today for all you Mini fans, K-Truck fans, K-Van fans for that matter. We're on our way to meet the cheese, MOTOCHEEZ, possibly MOTORIDER. So we're gonna have a little minis and coffee. Here it is, the MOTOCHEEZ Daihatsu A-Tri. This thing's super cool. Super slick. All-time all-wheel drive and four-wheel drive selectable, so that's a little gem right there.
We talked so much that I didn't even record our brothers.
Alright. MOTORIDER2018 came out to hang out, even though he just didn't have his truck with him at the time, but he will next time. So here we checked out each other's minis. He was checking out my dump truck. I'm checking out the A-Tri. Here's one thing that's really cool. Check this out. I'm a fan of futuristic looking interiors. I always loved my old Hondas for that matter. And look at this. This does not disappoint. The gauge, the awesome. Look at the wheel. That's the stock wheel. It's got AC and of course the MOTOCHEEZ touch. It's got CB, 12 volt, boost vacuum gauge, some Android unit stuff. Just all trick stuff. Very cool. I've always admired and taken inspiration from the MOTOCHEEZ videos. The modifications, the maintenance, there's just very cool stuff going on. If you have not already, subscribe to MOTOCHEEZ. There's some really fun funny, interesting stuff going on there, especially if you're into mini trucks. Holy moly. If you've got like a Climber or a Daihatsu, forget about it. And there's thousands of motorcycle reviews, so don't miss out on those either. It was a great day. We had a great breakfast at the Beekman Square in Beekman, New York. And then we kind of just chilled out and talked about our trucks and our vans. This actually stirred up a lot of interest on social media afterwards, so I guess we're going to have to invite more people next time to these minis and coffee meets. Subscribe to MOTORIDER2018 too. He's got some awesome stuff on there with a Suzuki Carry. We've got plans to off-road these soon and check them out and shake them down. So we will see everyone soon. That's going to be an absolute blast. Later on, everyone. Bye-bye. Yeah, you can just let this thing sing. We're floored. Man, it's so sweet.